All right, guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you a cool trick. Let's power it up. Okay, so right now I've got 190,516 miles. It's in power mode right now, but I'm going to show you a trick on how to charge up your battery that's in your vehicle using the onboard generator that the Prius has. Okay, so all you got to do is hold down this HV EV button, the one in the middle. You hold that down for a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then this pops up. So hold it for about 4 seconds, and then it says charge mode. So once that happens, that means that it's going to start charging up the battery. And so that's a pretty cool feature to use the onboard, and it does use quite a bit of gas to do so. But you know what? That's fine. You know, there's no issues with that. Usually when I'm on the freeway cruising at a steady speed, I'll put it in charge mode if I want some electric range, and it'll charge up the battery to 80%, so not quite all the way to 100%, but it does take a while. It's kind of a slow going charge, but it does add life to the battery. Okay, so that's the battery life right now. It's in charge mode, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how fast it charges up, but that's how you guys do it. Okay, so EV mode not available, low battery. Okay, but that's how you put it in charge mode, guys. So just hold it down, and that starts to blink, and that's gonna put it in charge mode. All right, now if you want to take it out of charge mode, all you have to do is hit this button again. You'll see it up there. I'm gonna hit this button. Boom, back to EV mode. Okay, so it's back to normal. That's pretty standard. Okay, so that's how you put it in charge mode, and you're good to go.